Well, it is a beautiful sunny day out here. And if you're seeing this right now, you know what this means. That's Rock Dollar. He's towing down our gear for our 4th of July celebration. And it's not just any 4th. No, no, no. It's America's 250th, the big 250. So yeah, we're going to celebrate it in style, one of our classic staycations. We're going to do some barbecuing, a little bit of gas-powered excitement. And that sun goes down, it's fireworks time, oh boy. And we got an arsenal this year, an arsenal. You're gonna love it. So stay tuned, folks. Let's go have some fun.
I would like to welcome you all to the 250th annual 4th of July celebration. We're gonna be starting today with some chili cheese dogs. Don't want to break from the norm. Got ourselves some Oscar Mayer stuffed chili cheese dogs, Wendy's Baconator chili, and then later we'll be, of course, doing some Bush's apple pie baked beans or some dill pickle. We're not sure yet. We'll probably throw some of those diced jalapenos into the chili, and then it all heads on over to here to get grilled up. That is hot. Oh my gosh. Don't burn me, bro. Woo, ow, ow, ow. All right, so there you go. Chili dogs are ready. It's time to dig in. As is tradition for 4th of July, we've got some other barbecue goodies here. Texas style beef brisket from Aldi. These things are delicious. And then, of course, chicken quarters. We did thighs last year, but this year we got quarters. They're on sale for 99 cents a pound. So yeah, let's get those guys on the smoker and get the day started.
Well, they did say it could rain today. So we're getting a little rain here right now. Probably should pull that charcoal in. But yeah, you know, we're gonna soldier on. Those chili dogs were good. And when this rain is done, I think we're gonna go ahead and get the smoker going. Rock Dollar's over there getting the generator kind of protected a little. Yeah, it is raining. It is raining. And you know, a little chili left over, you get some water in it. That's not too bad. That's okay, you know. So yeah.
A little more wet this time.
It is just a little more wet this time.
That's alright, it's dropping the temps.
Yeah, it is a lot better.
It's hot.
Yeah, this is the warmest, the most humid we've had so far. So yeah, I was saying we should probably get that charcoal out of the rain, you know.
Yeah, it works better when it's not wet.
Alright, well now that the rain is over, we're gonna set up our fireworks apparatus here. Got some plans.
Yes, yes. We've got some specialties this year that require a more engineered setup.
Power tools.
Yeah. Using my American branded Harbor Freight Warrior drill from I don't know how many years ago. $14 I think it cost me.
You know, that would be like double the price nowadays.
Yeah, it's 28 these days. Always pre-drill your holes.
All right, cool.
Now that that's put together,
All right.
you might get a bit of a clue as to what we have going on here once you see it all set up. And yes, we do use the same piece of wood every year.
Oh yeah, yeah, you can see some classic fireworks evidence there.
Yep.
And these are safe, poking up through here. That's fine.
Yep. That's just to lock things down so they don't blow away.
That's fine. All right, so now we're gonna attach the back supports. Always pre-drill your holes, people.
Always.
What are we, animals?
If your wood is split and you ain't drilling.
You're even lining them up so they're even.
I know, it's not my usual technique of making it equal on both sides. I like to mix it up a bit.
Measure once, cut 3 times?
Yep. But where's the fun in putting some together once? How you gonna learn?
Yeah, you get no practice that way.
Never gonna learn if you just put it together once. Alright. Get it down and then on our level.
Ish.
All right.
Cool.
And we thought about this a lot, like how are we gonna do this particular type of fireworks? So this is here to please.
Yep. Here at this whole fireworks setup.
Mm-hmm. Old Yankee fireworks.
I'm gonna do a little improvising.
Came down a little past.
Fast, and just go swoop right in. So you need a drill that's got like 2 drill bits at the same time, so you can drill both of those at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Patent pending.
All right. How? Well, that's kind of straight right off the bat.
All right. Pretty much it, right?
Yeah, there's, you know, I had this grand vision of something going across, but
It's a little
short.
It's a little short there.
But we have something topside we could use.
Oh.
The brace for the shed door. That might be able to go across.
Oh, okay, okay.
But we'll have to get back with you.
That might be at stage 2. We'll see. We'll see how it plays.
Yep.
All right.
Well, it wouldn't be the 4th of July without the Moto 4th of July. And looks at home right here on the setup.
All right, stage 2.
All right, so we got a bigger piece of wood here than we had originally because there's some big time stuff going in here, you know, big things. Want to hold that up for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Refrigerator holes.
Actually, we hand me the other screws. Here, you got, oh, no, never mind, that messed up. Oh, well, whatever.
Yeah, you know.
If you can figure out more hands, let me know. Oop.
Oh.
Fumbling all over.
Yeah, you know.
It's officially up.
What's up?
I could even put up. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Other thoughts.
Oh. Improvising.
What do you think?
Oh, why not?
Well, minus the weird piece of cut in it there,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
after that,
Yeah, I mean, why not?
I think we're seeing this unfold right now.
Yeah, I'm thinking this is good.
But I gotta pre-drill my holes.
It's occurred.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Now, there's a few other things we gotta do.
Kind of eyeball that here. All right, that looks good.
Yeah. Here comes Nutri-Grain, bringing a spare battery for the drill. That way we can finish up the whole fireworks setup. Always gotta have another spare battery ready and charged. And then we will be making lunch burgers. Yeah, 4th of July, grilling and chilling. Nice socks. Well, it's 4:17. Figure you might like to take a peek at where we're at right now. Nutri-Grain's taking a load off. These are busy days for us, but well worth it, especially once you see the massive arsenal. But yes, we are running a box fan. How's that working for you? And you can see the generator. Oh, well, maybe you can't. It's like right there-ish in the distance. But I think it's time to check on the chicken quarters and the brisket. Going for a couple hours here. Oh, yeah. Ooh, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. All right.
that's for like later tonight.
Yeah, that's like midnight dinner. Let's check on these boigas. Oh yeah, that's smelling real good. So these are just regular chuck burgers, but they are some smoked paprika and Montreal seasoning. Kind of basic, but still delicious. Yeah. Seal it in. Yeah. Wanna bring your plate around here? Oh yeah. Time to eat lunch. All right, well, things changed. We saw a massive storm pop up on the radar. Like, you know, they have the color of green to yellow to red. Well, this one was red with white in the middle. So right now we're getting hit with the outskirts of it. So we kind of had to tear it down. We were just about to do the drag races too. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do the drag races, but the smoker's still rolling. Holding 250, well it was until it got rained on. Dog's getting a bath. So yeah, we're kind of just waiting it out. Fireworks stand was taken down for proactive measures. Yeah, it's dumping. So, I don't know, stay tuned, see what happens. So it is just an absolute deluge. Yeah, how do you like it?
Oh yeah.
I had to turn the heat up on the pork. Let's see. Or on the beef and chicken, I should say. No pork. No pork shoulder this time.
I think that was lightning.
Yeah. Happy 250th 4th of July.
Oh, yeah!
Woo! All right, time for some mini bike racing. It got rained out yesterday, but today it's on.
I think he's running an illegal mixture this time, because kicking it today, man. Well, let's keep going.
Man, things are heating up. I'm taking this game. You know, I gotta admit, this game is a big surprise to me. I've been working, training real hard for this all season long, and like, I always felt that it was more about the long game than the short game, and this extra track length gave me the win I needed. Yeah! Take a look at our chicken quarters here. It's been going for many hours. Oh yeah. Yum.
Oh,
Basically had these marinating the brisket below it.
oh, that's right, too. That's down there.
Skins
those
all
are-
crispy.
Those are looking thoroughly smoked. Extra tasty.
Yep. All right, one and all, it is time for the fireworks. So as you can see, we've went all in this year. Our usual place we go has given us many, many credits, which we immediately reinvest into more awesome fireworks. And this year, what's different is we actually looked up a lot of these to make sure we didn't have things like whistling color cuckoo that doesn't whistle. So let's get started. Cool Breeze is the little one on the left there, pair of Mamma Mia's, Adult Snappers, 5 Minute Smoker, Pure Fantasy. This will be our third year with this one. This one's an upgrade though, it's got holographic packaging. Ninja looked pretty cool. Wings of Freedom has something impressive in store. Amazing, you know, the packaging leaves something to be desired, but hey, it's an amazing firework. Is it fireworks? Firework? America's Way, which, yeah. And then we've got some Morning Glory sparklers, the multicolored ones. Inalienable Rights. The animation for that particular fireworks on the internet was ridiculous, and it looks to be a pleaser as well. Sparkleberry has a unicorn. Revenge of the Houseplant, another winner. Wings of Freedom again. And then, of course, the Cat 6 spinners. Let's do this.
Oh, that's all three. Nice. Oh, those have good color. Those have great color.
Yeah. $2 a piece for these?
Yeah, $2 a piece. Wow. They just go. There. Oh. Oh yeah.
Wow, sparkle.
Sparkleberry! Ooh, sparkleberry.
Very nice. That's definitely legit. That went higher than my drone was expecting. Pure Fantasy's the best, for sure. Woo, nice. Nice. Those are cool.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Revenge of the Houseplant. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
Wow.
That was massive. That was so good.
The pocket's doing an amazing job. Laser eyes. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Nice. Ninja.
It's the ninja.
Very nice.
Ooh, I love the purple.
Yeah, purple crackle.
Yeah.
Hope that color's coming out. It's got some purple in it.
Yeah, it's definitely got purple. I think that purple smelled like grape.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Very green. Such color, wow. Oh my gosh. Very neat.
Nice. Oh,
Wow.
cool.
The purple.
Sideways sound. I love it.
So red and mysterious. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's really neat. What the? Delicate. For the sensitive side. There you have it. I mean, wow, what a collection. Pure fantasy. Blew me away.
Always, always.
Yes, I mean, I couldn't believe the couple shock waves we got out of that, the Dragon's Breath or whatever they call it. America's Way, some very unique effects. They were kind of different. I was appreciating the softer side purple. I've never seen that before. It was like purple lava. I hope the color comes out. And amazing. I mean, just blew the whole entire scale apart. Like last year it was great, this year twice as good. I mean, it was the amount of, you know, pyrotechnics. What breadth was it filling? Like 80 plus feet wide or something?
Easily
I mean, it was
80 feet.
nuts.
It was massive.
Yeah, definitely good fireworks this year. All right, well, I hope you had an amazing 4th of July, y'all. And we're gonna go ahead and regroup at base camp. Woo. Had to see what was going on here.
Oops.
Wow, America's Way is just like completely caught on fire.
Oh,
Inalienable Rights has definitely been scorched.
Oh, it did. It's definitely scorched. Oops.
Wow. And then the hat. Oh, yeah. I love you.
I love you too. Well, it's kind of raving out of my hand here.
Let's take a look at that brisket. Oh yeah, slow and low all day long. What you say? All right, you got the plate. Let's take a look here at the whole setup. This canopy got ransacked today with the amount of rain and like incredible amounts of wind and thunder and lightning. No hail though, we avoided the hail.
Yep.
Yeah, so that pretty much wraps up our 4th of July. I don't think there's much else we could do. We had, you know, chili dogs for breakfast and burgers for lunch and smoked chicken quarters for dinner and just set up a whole bunch of fireworks. Unfortunately, the mini bike drag races got rained out today, but we're going to regroup tomorrow. We've got plans to actually run it tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
And then, of course, be spliced in, so you've already seen that. How was it? Anyway. Yeah. Who won? Could you tell us? So we really appreciate you joining us for this 2026 250 year anniversary of our amazing country. And I appreciate y'all joining us, and just stay tuned for more videos. We got a lot of cruise videos coming up, so that's what's next. All right, until next time, peace out.
Woo.